Okay, I hope you can hear me. I got my fans on, but I got this mic here. I think you better hear me. I don't know. Here's a little tip for you new shop builders. A cleat, French cleat wall or shelf wall. I'll give you my opinion. Okay, this French cleat. This one I just redid. Basically, the strips of wood on the wall are 45 on the back side. And then you get your the hanging part, which is 45 on this side. And basically it just hooks on there. Now these, I made them too short, so I had to put them where I got a stud to support the bottom. And they're also too long. I was using these to hold up some wood. So I just recently redid all of this. And this is what I did with it. Basically it's the same concept. This is 12 inches by 12 inches, and whatever the length it is, I just cut it. And basically it just hooks on there, and then the bottom hits this bracket, keep it from rocking in there. And this is just MDF. This stuff right here is some MDF. So if you build some with the MDF, I glue it, shoot some nails into it, and I put a screw a few inches from the bottom, a few inches from the top. If you go too close, MDF will split. I mean, really split, really bad. So pre-drill it, screw it. So that's my shelf, my French cleat. Let me see if I can turn this up a little bit. There you go. And basically, I made those to hold my strips of wood and lumber and that. If you have a finished wall, see, this is a metal building shop. That's just some insulation on there, so I had to put some studs in there to attach it. But if you got a metal building, you want to find your studs to screw this strip to it, and on the back side you got the 45 that mates up to this 45. But if you do it like this, make sure you make these brackets as long as the next strip to help give it some some support on the bottom. Now, my opinion, French cleat wall or shelf wall. Your shelving unit are definitely going to be a lot stronger. But what I like about this is you have endless options. Okay, I can take this shelf, bring it down here. I can shorten it. I can add a couple in here. If I need to put some short stuff in here, it's whatever you want to do. You can move it around, bring it to the top, bring it down to the bottom, make them longer, make them shorter. Where if you build a shelf unit, it's basically permanent. You can do this in shelves if you want to put paint cans up here. If you want to put a bunch of paint cans up here, you can do the same the same design, French cleats. Put your shelf board, put your cans, and then if you want to double stack them, but you don't have the room, just take it down, bring these down one layer, one board down, and you can double stack your cans of paint. You can just change the height, change the length, whatever. It's very easy to do. French cleat. Make you some in your shop. You have a good day.